Okay. Hi, EAP students. I am working on putting some subtitles on my video for the My Hometown project. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We went over this in class. This is just a reminder, something that you can access at home in case you need help. All right, so first things first, make sure that you're signed into your Google account, your school Google account, and then go to YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, click on your icon at the top right, go to the Creator Studio, find your project. Okay, this is the project for our class that I've already started making subtitles for, and this is the project for the other EAP class, and this is the one I'm going to use to show you how to start making subtitles. So I click on it here, it opens our window up. Hi. All right, so this is the video that we're going to put subtitles on. Look below the window, you should see a little CC button. And this means captions, and this is what I want you to create. Click on it. We are going to set our language, of course, to English. Plain English, not English UK, because we are at the American school. Set the language. All right. So I'm going to click on this button that says Add New Subtitles, or CC, which stands for Closed Captioning. Automatic subtitles only work for very slow native speakers speaking English. Even for me, it makes mistakes. So we're going to write in our own subtitles. So click on this. Once again, choosing English. And then you're going to click Create New Subtitles or Closed Captions. This is the best way to do it. So we click on it. And when we click on that, it takes us to this window. And it's going to start loading up your video. And whenever you're ready, you're going to hit play. Your video will start to play, and you will start to type the subtitles in. When you type, it will automatically pause the video. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to press play and click back in the box.
Hi, I'm Ross Connolly.
Hi, comma, I'm Ross Connolly. I stop typing.
And my hometown is Salisbury.
And my hometown is Salisbury. And then I want the subtitles to show for the screen. I'm going to hit enter.
Salisbury is in the state of Maryland.
Salisbury is a... See, I'm confused. What did I say? So I paused the video, and I'm going to make it go back. Go back a little bit more. What did it say?
Salisbury is in the state of Maryland.
In the state of Maryland. Period. Okay, so I hit enter because that's the end of the slide, and that's where I want the subtitles to be shown. Okay, so I can pause the video manually, or the video will pause when I type. Okay, let me go to another video in this tab. This is our video. You can see that I've typed in all these subtitles. The video has stopped here at 1 minute and 26 seconds. That's the end of my last subtitle. And I'm going to hit play on this.
Work in the poultry, one of the biggest chicken companies.
So here, this is a good example. I need to take the time back a little bit to show me what was just said because I missed it. So I set the timer back. You can see the subtitles right here of what I already wrote. And you can see down here, this is the length of time that the subtitles will show. So I'm going to restart it.
It is in the United States. So many people who live in Salisbury.
So many people who live in, and as I'm typing, the video is paused.
Work in the poultry.
Work in the poultry.
Or chicken industry.
Or chicken industry.
What do other people do for work at Salisbury?
What do other people do for work in Salisbury? Oops. Salisbury question mark, and I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to hit enter up there. And now something that happened is if
work in the poultry or chicken industry. What do other people do?
So, did you notice that I started to speak before the subtitles came up? Well, one way to fix that is to pause the video and come down here. I can take the little box here and stretch it, and that means that my subtitles will come up quicker. Now watch and see if you can tell the difference.
Why does he have a chicken on him? Frank Perdue started one of the biggest chicken companies in the United States. So many people who live in Salisbury work in the poultry or chicken industry. What do other people do for work in Salisbury?
So there, it started a little bit earlier. And in fact, I'm going to go back to a previous spot here.
So
I already said so, but you don't see my subtitles up there. So I'm going to take this box and drag it back as well.
Many people who live in Salisbury work in the poultry or chicken industry.
So if you fill in those gaps, it gives people longer to read what you've written in the subtitles. Okay? So this might take you a little bit of time, but if you're a fast typer and if you stay focused on your work, it shouldn't take you too long because your video is going to be between 2.5 and 4 minutes long. Yeah. So, so just finish that up. And then once you finish typing in all your subtitles and adjusting the timings down here like I showed you by dragging these boxes in and out, you should hit publish, and then it puts all of your subtitles onto YouTube. So one last thing that I've noticed is if you want to be able to edit your subtitles, then you're going to find out that when you go back into subtitles editing, it will overwrite rather, everything that you've already done. So make sure that you have time to complete your subtitles in one sitting. If you don't complete them in one sitting, then you might lose the work that you have done. So that's what you can do. All right? Good luck.